Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we are going to see a very basic thing that should be known to all in this age, that is how to buy items online through Amazon app. Amazon, as you know, it's a very popular app for buying or purchasing items all over the world as well as in India. So here we'll see how to use that app and how simple it is to buy items on Amazon. First of all, you have to download the Amazon app in your Android device. Well, I'm using Android device, so you have to go to Play Store for downloading the Amazon app. So I go to Play Store. Once I go there, I have to search for Amazon. Fine. So if I click Amazon, well, you can see the first option showing Amazon Shopping UPI Money. Yeah, this is the app, but it's already installed in my mobile. If you haven't installed, it will show as downloading, and once it downloads, you have to click on open. So you have to create an account on Amazon also. Well, I have already created an account. So to open this, once you open, you can see also when you have downloaded, if you're using it for the first time or you have not installed the app, this page will come. So you have to open it. So once you open, if you haven't logged in, then you have to create an account and logged in into that account. Or else I have already done. I have an account already in Amazon, so I'll straight away go for buying. So when you log into Amazon account, this kind of page will come. So in this page, you can see all the ads will be there, or some popular thing that Amazon wants to promote, attracting you to purchase or buy. So you can see all the things that you've already logged, all the things that you've already seen previously on Amazon, that will pop up here. So just skip it. There are two ways to search in Amazon. One is to search by category, that is here. You can go to search shop by category. If I want category, I will choose like home, kitchen, pets, furniture, eco, all these are Amazon products, so it is populating here at the top. So you can choose your things like toys, baby, kids, fashion, everyday use, sports, fitness, bags, luggage, books, gift cards, kitchen, home organization, all these things you can choose. Or else the simplest of thing or the easiest of thing is to direct type in the product and then typing that product name here, right? I want some clips for fixing clothes for drying clothes, so I'll just type clips for drying clothes, for cloth drying, clips for cloth drying. You can type in the search box directly. You can see a lot of options are coming here, popular search terms related to your search. Click for drying clothes, dry, or you can simply click this, click for drying. You can see all the things are coming here. There will be hundreds of sellers selling this. You can see in the first page most popular sellers that would be selling. So one tip for purchasing on Amazon is when you search, look, it's not an offline product that you can touch or see directly. So you have to believe on reviews. You have to believe on you have to go to the product page as well and see what the description is from this photo, etc. You have to judge from this page only, this listing available here. You have to judge it. So my advice is try to go for products which has a lot of reviews, even if it has a little bit less. You can see here that this product has somewhat 280 reviews, so it's a good selling product, that means. So you can also compare the prices as well based on the quantity. It's like $259 for this set. I think 3 sets are available in this product, plastic clips. So here you can see this has only one review which has 5 star. Even if it's a 5-star product, only one review. Sometimes the seller or seller friends can also put on this review, so it is very misleading. Don't go for this kind of product if you want to buy a reliable one. So you can see here it is 121. Well, I prefer metal clips. So it's showing Corporate Industries 12-piece steel cloth drying clip silver. So I want a steel clip, so I would go for this. You can also see there are like 111 reviews, so it's a good product also. It is selling, so it's trustworthy. So if you go into the product listing page, you can see the details of the product. These are the picture page. You can simply slide the picture to see all the pictures here. Almost 4 to 5 pictures are given. You can see it closely. You can zoom it as well to see the product closely. So this is the opening position of the clip. So this is how you can see the product picture. You can go through the details as well, description. In this portion you can see all the offers or the cashback that is available. So you can see 50 cashback with Amazon Pay, UPI, all these things you can see here. Two more offers. Don't miss this page. Sometimes you get a very good deal in this portion of the app as well. So you can see sold by Cloudtel India. Here the seller name and its rating will also come. So by default, even if a lot of sellers sell the same in that same listing, the best seller comes out. So mostly Cloudtel is a well established seller, so you can go for that. Here you can see all the listing or the description of the product. Here they describe the industry. First of all, Kuber Industries. You can see all these details like material steel, color silver, package contents, all these things you can see, and you can have an idea of what kind of product you're going to get, like 7 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter, all the measurements here, color, all these things you can have a look before buying the product. So finally you can see the reviews as well. So sometimes this kind of review comes, but you have to judge yourself based on most of the reviews that are being said on this product, not some aberrations like 1 star that has been given. It's just one of those reviews. You may ignore this, but mostly it has got good reviews. You can see 5 star, 46%, 4 star, 3 star, 1 star. You can see all the reviews here. Mostly it's a good product based on the reviews. With every 5 positive review we get a negative one, so it's okay, no problem. Not big cleats with a medium to small size. But go through the review, it will tell you the actual quality of the product. These are the real people who have used it, and after using they have reviewed the product, whether it is worth the price or worth the purchase even. So you should go for this review. You can also see sometimes this customer questions. This is also a very important section of listing, where you can see questions or even ask question. Somebody has written, is it rust free? Clips have been bought a few months ago. We live right near the city. Clips are tight. You can click here and see the answer as well. Any customer can answer, or it's like a discussion between customer and sometimes the person who has listed the product as well. You can also clarify your doubts regarding the product here as well. And once you decide that yes, this is the product, somewhat it feels right for me, you can go here, add to cart. If you want to add some more products after this, you can add to cart, or else directly you can go for buy now. I'll anyway go for add to cart. Once I add it to cart, you can see here one product has been added, so I'll go to cart. I could have also gone for buy now, but to show you how to handle this cart thing, I'll go to this cart. You can see proceed to buy. You can see the price as well, rupees 119. Proceed to buy. I'll go back and will show you the price. Here it is written 119, so there also it is showing as 119. You can proceed to buy. Once you go for proceed to buy, you can see the address. I have already uploaded like 3-4 addresses, so you can select, you can add as well as select at what address the product should be delivered. You can click on those address. For now I am selecting my main address of my home. I'll select this and I'll click deliver to this address. So once I click this, it is showing like by Wednesday. I am Amazon Prime member, so it's giving me free delivery with Prime. One thing I forgot to tell you, that there is something called Amazon Prime. If you're a frequent Amazon buyer, then don't miss out this thing. Go for Amazon Prime. It's hardly 800 to 900 rupees, but it gives a lot of benefits. You can get fast product delivery without any additional cost. Sometimes it keeps like 499 rupees minimum amount for a free delivery, or sometimes it's completely free, like here it is written for 119 also, because I'm an Amazon Prime member on Wednesday. So within 2 to 3 days it's giving. So sometimes on Prime you can get delivery on the next day itself if you're living in a metro or in a big city. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'll go continue. Once I continue, you can see all the payment options will be shown or available here. So all these are options like credit card, debit card. You can add this in your Amazon account, or else you can also go for what I say, cash on delivery as well. So Amazon Pay, UPI, Pay on delivery. Well, this time this has been temporarily suspended, but at all other times it is available Pay on delivery. If you are not, if you want to pay cash when the delivery comes, then you can select this option. So right now I'll go for my regular way of paying, that is my credit card. You can also go for Amazon Pay. Amazon Pay is also some kind of wallet in Amazon itself. Sometimes it's quite useful. You don't have to enter any credit card or debit card while purchasing, and it also gives sometimes good discounts and offers while paying with Amazon Pay. So you may go for that also. So I'll go for. So once I enter my preference of payment, I'll press continue. So once I continue. So once I continue, you can see this page has come. So it will give you all the details of the pricing, like items, delivery, order total, what kind of promotions are applied, and how much total discount I'm getting. Well, don't be confused. You will see the same price what you have seen in the listing mostly. So go for and place your order here. So there's a checkbox to default these kind of delivery options as well. So once you do this, it will take you to that payment portal, and OTP automatically is taking my OTP as well in my mobile for that credit card. I'll approve. Once I approve, my amount will be debited and the order will be placed. So finally, I have ordered my item, that is clip for drying my clothes on Amazon. These are the things which are showing up, that payment has been debited from my account. So it's saying thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for shopping with us. One item will be delivered to my address. So you can see the order has been placed. So you can even see in this tab like review or edit your order. If you want to cancel or do something else, you can go to this page. Here you can see the order details, like shipment detail. Just now I have ordered, so it has been like not yet dispatched, delivery estimate, your amount, your order, payment information, billing address, all these things will be shown here. Order summary. So it's quite simple, and you can once more see the listing page as well if you click on this product, if you have any doubt, right? Or if you are not happy with the product, in the worst case, you can cancel the items also. So once you cancel it, you will get refunded all the money that you have debited while ordering this item. So it's quite simple to purchase on Amazon. You can browse through the Amazon page to look for products or whatever items you require or desire to buy. You can compare, and you can go to the listing page, see. Well, the thing is, the main advantage of this is you can get hundreds of sellers for that same product. So you can choose out of hundreds or thousands of similar sellers. So if you do that diligently or in a good manner, then you can get one of the best product from Amazon. So I think we have seen here the basics or the minimum things required to order a simple item on Amazon. So some tips while purchasing on Amazon. If the item is not required urgently, it's better to club with some other item so that the total value reaches above 500. Sometimes Amazon says above 499 or 599 delivery will be free. So if you just go on buying simple small products like 50 rupees, 100 rupees or 150 rupees, sometimes you may be charged delivery fees of 20-30 rupees. So to avoid that, club many items if it's not an urgent one, and after clubbing, go for the final order. And the thing, as I've said, you see the reviews, go for product which has a lot of reviews, not only higher review points, but lot of reviews. Sometimes that listing will be mature if it's more than 100 or 200 reviews. More people are purchasing that item and giving the review. So even if it has a little bit less review, like 3.5 or 4, still it's a better product rather than having 1 or 2 5 point or highest review. So go for product which has a lot of review and preferably above 3.5 or 4 ratings in Amazon. And a personal behavioral kind of advice that if you find a product not that urgent, just I'll show you. For example, I want a mobile phone, OnePlus 7 Pro mobile. I just desire to have that. It's not that urgent for me. I already have a good phone. I wish to buy. So Amazon also gives some options like you can see this. It's a 43,000 rupees phone. So I don't intend to buy, or I'm not going to buy it right now. So what I'll do, I just add to wish list. Amazon also giving this facility to add this product to wish list. So it will be saved in my wish list. You can create some more wish list as well, public, private, all these things. So it has been added to wish list. I can go and see my wish list here, your wish list. So it has been added here. So when I see this product price has fallen, sometimes Amazon also give notification that your price of your product has fallen or reduced. So at that moment I can go and add to cart and buy. So what I mean to say, if the product is not that urgent, go and add it to wish list. Wait for the right time. Sometimes great Indian Amazon sale, this kind of time comes where the offer is huge. So instead of buying things urgently at a higher price, you can just save it in your wish list and purchase at a very good time where you will get very less price as well for your product. So this is the advice. Finally, go for Prime if you are living in metro and purchasing on Amazon frequently. Go for Prime. Not only get free delivery and quick delivery without any additional cost, but also you can earn money, like you can delay your delivery if it's not urgent. I'll get back like 10 to 15 rupees every time. Also, you'll get Amazon Prime videos you can stream. You can also listen to Prime Music. So it has a lot of facilities when you go for Amazon Prime. Well, I have a separate video how to go for Amazon. I have given that in our description. You can go through that. Well, for here, you can see this is called Amazon Prime. I'll just show you something. It's saying how much it costs right now. It's something like 139, but most of the time it will give you discount. Once you go to Amazon Prime, you can see host of facilities like Prime Delivery, Prime Music, Prime Shopping. Sometimes you get exclusive product one day before on Prime, which is not available to non-Prime members. Prime Video. So these are host of facilities that you get on Prime. Go for Prime if you're living in the metro and you are a frequent shopper on Amazon. And last advice, when you get a product on Amazon, I've seen many people just holding it and perhaps opening the package after 6 to 7 days or after a week. Please don't do that. As soon as you get the product on Amazon, open it up on the same day and use it as well, because if you use it at that time, you can know whether the product is good or defective, and at that time itself you can place for a return or refund of your money. But if you do that after 10 days or 15 days, sometimes Amazon return policy doesn't allow you to return after 10 or 15 days. You can go through that product listing as well for the detail of return or refund. So it's a good habit to open the Amazon product on the same day itself and see its uses, if any defect or if it is working or it has any defect to return. So friends, that's it. So friends, I hope we have gone through the process, how to step by step, how to purchase a product on Amazon. So if you found this video useful, please like it, share it among your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so to get more of such small tips and tricks on daily uses, technical videos. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment on the playlist of Smart Minds for getting more such videos. Thank you. See you again.